Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Tiffany Nicole. And as you can see by the thumbnail, your girl is trying out Boho box braids. Now I have tried out the Boho box braids before in the color black, number I think it was 1 or 1B, but this time I am trying some color, and this is kind of like my first time trying this color, and it's really pretty, but I always been kind of scared to try it on my skin tone, but it's a cute color. It is like a burgundy. The color is TBUG. So this is how it looks on the girl from Amazon. Really pretty, really pretty. I'm just going to try it out on myself and just see how I like it. So I did receive 8 packs. It is in 14-inch, and there are 12 in each bundle, in each pack. This hair was under $40 for 8 packs, under $40. I think if you go to like a beauty supply store and get a pack of hair, and especially if you're getting 8 packs, and they run about what, $7.99 a pack, you're gonna be spending like $65 for 8 packs under $40. I think this is a great deal. I will leave the link down below. I did purchase this hair from Amazon. I did get it under Amazon Prime, so I did receive the hair in 2 days. So let's go ahead with the install. I did not get a chance to wash this hair. I know I mentioned that I wanted to start doing that, but sometimes I don't have time to do it. So I did not wash this hair, but hopefully I don't have any issues. Okay, you guys, so I think I said 12 earlier. Actually, it's 16. That's a great deal. 16 in each pack. What you're gonna need is a crochet needle. It's very easy, very, very easy. Now, every time I do crochet, I do pick up like a new method that I can use. Sometimes I can like go down, or like you'll know what the method you'll need to do, but sometimes I'll go down and bring it up, and I think it'll make it go this way or make it go flat, and sometimes you could go up and bring it in too. So let me show y'all my braiding pattern. So I did do the illusion part. That is how the front part looks. My edges are thin around here and over here too, but that's okay. And then this is how the back. That's fancy at all. It does not have to be perfect. You know, just have that foundation and it'll work. So I think I should do it. I'm gonna just try it. I think I should go down, but if not, I'll take it out and go up. I always have to play with it sometimes. Okay, so yeah, that one, so that one worked for me. It's going down, so you see how it's able to lay flat. So I'm going to show you guys, if I were to do it up, it'll go a different way. So I'm going to do my crochet needle going up and then grabbing it, just so y'all can see, you know, the different ways. Ouch, I think I'm pulling something. Okay. All right, you guys, so I don't know if you can really tell, but the first one laying really flat, but that second one is laying flat, but it's still kind of poking out just a little bit. And also another difference is the first one has that knot to give you that box braid effect, but the second one, the knot is not at the top like it is on the first one. So that those are just a few differences if you do it up or down. With me waking up, now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you. All right, y'all. So this is 16 packs. I mean, not 16 packs. The first pack, which is 16 total. So this is the first pack. The color don't look too bad. It's like, cause I guess it's dark, so it's a dark red. It's not like a red. It's like an actual, you know, burgundy or like a wine color. So it's cute. So I'm gonna finish up. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to start doing this side. So you know, for this side I kind of went down. I probably would need to go down for this side too, because if I go up, it's gonna poke out a little bit. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is me if I do, what did I just do? Up. If I do it up, it's gonna stick out like that. So I'm gonna do it down in a downward motion. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle, push it down, grab it up, and then I will pull it through like that. That way it can lay flat. So you can definitely tell the difference if you, I know it's probably easier if you go up, but it's better to go down so that it can lay flat. So I hope that helps you out. With me waking up, now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I